AI isn't just for tech giants anymore. In the next few years, it's expected to add $13 trillion to the global economy. And small businesses like yours can get a piece of that pie. The question is, will you ride the wave or get left behind? Hey, I'm Kent, and today I'm going to show you exactly how any business, from a one-person shop to a growing company, can start using AI to cut costs, boost revenue, and leave competitors scrambling to catch up. You've probably been wondering, how can a small business actually implement AI? What specific steps do you need to take? And most importantly, how long until you see results? I'll break down the exact 5-step playbook that turned Google into an AI powerhouse and show you how to apply it to your business starting this week. Stay tuned until the end for 3 bonus implementation tips that could save you months of trial and error. Think about electricity 100 years ago. At first, only the biggest companies could afford it. Now, it's everywhere. AI is following the same path. But here's what most people get wrong. You don't need a team of PhDs or millions in investment to get started. Let me prove it with a quick story. When Google first started with AI, they didn't tackle their biggest challenge, search. Instead, they started with something smaller, speech recognition. That single project created the momentum that transformed their entire company. Today, I'll show you how to create that same momentum in your business. The first step is choosing the right pilot project. Here's the counterintuitive truth. Your first AI project doesn't need to be your most valuable one. It just needs to succeed. Look for 3 things. 1, a project that can show results in 6 to 12 months. 2, something technically feasible with today's AI. 3, a clear, measurable business outcome. For example, when I helped a local restaurant chain, we ignored their ambitious plan to automate everything. Instead, we focused on inventory management. Within 3 months, they cut food waste by 32%. That success made every future AI project easier to implement. Now let's talk about building your AI team. Here's something surprising. You don't need to hire Stanford PhDs to get started. Instead, focus on 3 core roles. 1, a technical lead who understands AI capabilities. 2, a business analyst who knows your industry. 3, a project manager to keep everything on track. Start with external partners while gradually building internal expertise. Think of it like learning to drive. You start with an instructor before buying your own car. The key is having someone who can translate between your business needs and AI capabilities. I call this person the AI architect. They don't need to be a technical genius, but they need to understand both worlds. Training is where most companies go wrong. They focus all their training on the technical team, but successful AI transformation requires everyone to understand the basics. Executives need 4+ hours focusing on strategic possibilities. Middle managers need 12+ hours covering implementation. Technical teams need ongoing comprehensive training. Here's a success story. A retail client created a simple program where store managers spent just 30 minutes weekly learning about AI. Within 6 months, these managers were suggesting AI implementations the tech team hadn't even considered. They became innovation drivers because they understood both the technology and their daily challenges. Strategy turns AI from a tool into a competitive advantage. Let me introduce you to the virtuous cycle of AI. 1, better AI creates better products. 2, better products attract more users. 3, more users generate more data. 4, more data improves your AI. The key is finding your unique cycle. Start by asking, what unique data does your business generate? How could AI make your products better? How would these improvements attract more customers? Remember, you're not competing with Google or Facebook. You're competing in your industry, where your deep knowledge combined with AI creates an unbeatable advantage. The final step is often overlooked but crucial: communication. AI projects fail more often due to resistance than technical issues. Create a communication plan for 4 audiences. 1, employees, address job security concerns. 2, customers, highlight benefits, not technology. 3, investors, focus on business impact. 4, partners, explain collaboration benefits. Instead of saying, we're implementing machine learning algorithms, say, we're making our service faster and more personalized. Now for those 3 bonus implementation tips I promised. First, start collecting data now. Even if you're not ready for AI, having historical data is invaluable. Focus on data that directly relates to business decisions. Second, create an AI governance framework early. Data privacy standards, ethics guidelines, decision-making processes, success metrics. Third, plan for scaling from day one. How will this solution work with 10x more users? What other parts of the business could use this? How will we maintain and update the system? Watch out for these common mistakes. 1. Trying to build everything from scratch. 2. Ignoring change management. 3. Focusing on technology instead of problems. 4. Not having clear success metrics. The AI revolution isn't about having the most advanced technology. It's about solving real business problems. Start small, think big, and focus on creating value for your customers. If you're an entrepreneur or small business owner who wants help adding AI to your business, join my free school community. The link is in the video description.